Hey guys, I'm Sahiba welcoming you all to Aglasem's another video, which trust me is going to be very helpful for you during your exam preparation. Hope you watched and liked our JEE ki pathshala and beat the Neet with Aglasem series. If you are new to our channel and haven't watched the series yet, then go watch it from that I button as it will help you a lot to prepare for your JEE or Neet 2019 entrance exam. Also, make sure to subscribe our channel so you never miss out on such amazing videos again. Now, throughout our series, we have talked enough about studies, preparation and strategies, but now it's time to take a deep breath and relax, as I know the exam pressure and anxiety must have started bottling up within you. And this is nothing new guys, everyone goes through this, and even I did, so it's totally relatable, totally. The reason behind this sudden eruption of stress when your exams are near is usually the lack of preparation and planning, thought of not being able to meet parents' expectations, not being able to understand the concepts, or कम marks आने पर लोग क्या कहेंगे वाली thinking. But you know what? Taking stress or getting anxious will only make it difficult for you to do your best during exams when you are capable of doing wonders. That is why in this video, I'll help you to figure out how you can deal with this situation. Now, what students usually do during their study time is that they tend to consume substances that contains caffeine or nicotine, as there's this myth among a lot of you guys that it helps in increasing concentration. But to your surprise, that isn't the case. It actually contributes in increasing your anxiety level, leaving you more stressed than ever. So a big coffee mug is a no-no. Second thing is that you have to stop being a fortune teller. Mostly क्या होता है कि इंजीनियर डॉक्टर बनने से पहले बच्चे अपने आप में ही पंडित बन जाते हैं, प्रेडिक्शंस करने लगते हैं तरह तरह की कि इसमें तो मैं गया, ये पेपर में तो फेल हूँ, मम्मी पापा तो निकाल देंगे एग्जाम के बाद घर से और ना जाने क्या क्या. So stop doing this to yourself, as by doing this you are unconsciously telling your mind that your future is going to be bad, and thus you make your mind more afraid of the coming days. Don't be too harsh on yourself. Acknowledging your mistake is good, but thinking that you're stupid just because you made this mistake is even the biggest mistake. अगर आपको अपनी गलतियों और कमियों को एक्नॉलेज करके अपने आप को डीमोटिवेट करना अच्छा लगता है, तो ये जो आप सेल्फ क्रिटिसिज्म प्रैक्टिस करते आ रहे हो ना, इस गलती को एक्नॉलेज करो. I mean, why do you even do this to yourself? Isn't it the job of society? Why are you stealing their work? I won't tell you to love yourself, but will definitely tell you to go easy on yourself or treat yourself the way you treat your friends. I'm pretty sure your friends also make plenty of silly mistakes in their life, but you don't start criticizing them for doing so. Now, if while taking tests you suddenly start feeling nervous just because you don't know the answer of a question or two, then start imagining happy times. Think about what you'll do after the exam. Hanging out with friends, watching your favorite Netflix series all night long. This will actually help you to relax, but don't get too lost कि exam time ही over रहा है. Have the correct amount of जो होगा देखा जाएगा attitude. Now I'm not telling you to stop studying and start chilling on your couch, thinking कि छोड़ना देखी जाएगी. No, that's not what I mean. By saying this, I want you to continue working as hard as you were working till now, but to maintain a chill attitude along with it, which can happen only when you stop worrying about your result. I would sum up this by quoting Krishna from Bhagavad Gita here. कर्म करो, फल की चिंता मत करो. Eat and sleep properly. Giving up on your diet and pulling an all-nighter just before your exam is totally unacceptable. You need to eat proper food and take 7 to 8 hours of sleep, as your mental health depends on your physical health as well. अब अगर बाय चांस रिजल्ट वैसा नहीं आता जैसा आपने एक्सपेक्ट किया था, तब भी दुनिया नहीं खत्म हो जाएगी. एक मंजिल पे पहुंचने के बहुत से रास्ते होते हैं. हाँ माना कि कुछ बाकियों से मुश्किल होते हैं, पर एट द एंड सब पहुंचते तो एक ही जगह है. So stop stressing, have a goal of doing your best, nothing unrealistic, nothing pessimistic, and believe in yourself as much as your parents believe in Sharma ji ka ladka. Aglasem wishes you all the luck for your preparation. If you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.